Hey, this is Dawn from Carson City Cash Home Buyers. I just hiked to the top of Sea Hill. If you're from Carson City, you know. It's the hill with the big C on it, and it's a gorgeous day. You can see the east side of the Sierra Nevada behind me. But anyway, the market is really interesting right now. I think a lot of people aren't sure what's supposed to happen. I mean, a lot of us have thought that things were going to crash for several years now, but they keep on going. There's a significant decrease in inventory, meaning there's just less houses on the market to buy. But prices haven't softened too much. Maybe 75% of listings right now sell for their asking price or better. Only about a fourth of them sell for less than asking price. And I would guess that's because they need a lot of repair, rehab, or you have an unrealistic seller. But anyway, just always looking for houses. I am reminded, I was talking with a lady who I did some consulting work with a few months back, and she's got a really bad tenant problem. This is adult son moved in with the older lady who owns this little house out in Stagecoach. And his mom moved out of her own house because she's scared of her son who's doing drugs and getting physical with her, and it's super sad. But here's a situation where the mom, as scared as she is of her son, and because she's scared of her son, doesn't want to kick him out, but he's probably not going to be able to pay rent if he's doing drugs and can't keep a job. So she's gonna possibly lose her house because she won't be able to make the payment if her son isn't paying her. So, a lot of times when people sell, it's because they just don't want to deal with getting a problem tenant out. And so that's where buyers like us come in, where we can take over the property, buy it for cash, and then we deal with evicting a problem tenant and doing all the repairs and rehab, because a lot of times problem tenants, they do a lot of damage on the way out. So it's kind of a grab bag. But anyway, if you have a rental or tenant problem, rental you don't want for any reason, reach out and give us a call over at Carson City Cash Home Buyers. My website is webuycarson.com, and my phone number is 775-297-0309. All right, you take care. I'll talk to you later. And get out and enjoy the beautiful world around us. Take care. Bye-bye.